Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to AI Watch Build. And today we are doing something different. We're doing animation. I'm just mixing it up and I'm learning. So that's what we're doing, right? We're learning and we're using AI. So that's what I wanted to do today is show you something, how to use AI to help benefit you and how simple it really is. And this is what we should be doing. We should jump in and use it to our benefit. So I'm going to call this one Side Hustles Using AI. And the first one is if you have a bunch of stuff sitting around your garage or your house you want to sell. I think a lot of us have a lot of stuff we'd like to get rid of. Well, AI can be your pricing assistant. That's number one. You can upload pictures of your items, if it's old electronics, kitchen items, clothing, sports equipment, whatever you may have. Load it into AI and let it give you a realistic price of what it would be in your area. And then let's say you wanted to sell it on eBay or Marketplace. Ask AI then to write a listing that would help it sell quickly on one of those platforms. And then boom, there you are. You have a strategy. The other one is go to thrift stores and garage sales and buy things under $10 and take pictures of it and ask AI, is it worth that and would you get money? And then if so, ask it to write a listing for you to post it. So there you go. Again, there's a quick one, and a lot of people do that one. That's where a lot of antique stores get their, I guess, treasures that people pay great money for. And then, if you ask AI to write a flyer for you for your neighborhood, if you, do mechanic work or yard cleanup or dog walking or animal sitting or any of those things, if you have things for sale that might help someone in their garden or something like that, AI can help write a professional looking flyer for you. You can print and post or knock on doors, whatever. Boom, there you are, you're done. So AI can help you in so many ways, in any basic way. But this is another, I guess, side hustle to make money and how to use AI to help us. And I just always want to say at the end here that we are supporting 'Cause I Matter Animal Rescue. And that's causeimatter.org. And they have land, but they do not have the money to build the kennels to help save all the animals from the kill shelters and on the streets that have been abandoned. And that's what we are doing, is we want to help animals on a global level. And this is our first project. So please, if you can, support your local animal and rescue centers and adopt if you can. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time right here on AI Watch Build with some more tips and learning and teaching. Thank you.